Hello and welcome to the floor of my bedroom where we are doing a surprise unboxing. Thank you to my friend Mole for this, what is a late Christmas present, because apparently these things have been delayed massively. But this is the Hasbro Mandalorian helmet. Now, you guys have probably seen already I've done a full Mandalorian cosplay build and I have a helmet, but I'd be really interested to see what the Black Series one is like, because the Black Series stuff has been pretty nice so far. So I'm hoping this is too. So we're just gonna cut the tape. There we go. Also, if you're wondering why I'm just wearing this, just done some stuff in the workshop with Boba Fett. Isn't that right, Boba Fett?
Yeah.
Cool. So I'm just gonna continue.
I've never been in any one of your videos.
That is not DT Outlander. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, very nice, very nice. See this packaging? Very good. Actually packaged quite well, so shouldn't be damaged. We do have instructions, 4 things. So, oh, is that just the attention? Don't do this, you'll break it. That's fine. Right, so basically it comes with like a little side light. Probably won't have that on for display and telling you how to sort of tweak the inside of it, because normally they have like things like, you know, if you get like a hard hat, they have adjustable like straps on the inside. This is what the Black Series normally go for. I don't find them really comfortable, so I go for like just sponge padding in my helmets usually, but as these are mainly display, it's not a big deal. So shimmy this out. Oh, that looks nice. It is nice. Oh, yeah.
Shiny.
Oh, that is shiny.
That's really good
that.
from here.
Oh, man, and you can see that just through the visor. Look at that. So it's not like fully chrome. It's sort of almost like a brushed metal look, but not like brushed. I'm not sure how they would have done that. Let's get a nice little close-up of this. Look at that. Oh, look how it's like catching all the light, and you can pretty much see just like a reflection of everything that's in the room so far. Some bits are like slightly glossier than others. That is I'm actually quite surprised with that paint job. I was expecting a more of a dull chrome.
We were discussing that earlier today.
Yes, like you'd get like a sort of like just a standard chrome spray paint, and they've done the same on the inside with the Boba Fett bucket, which Boba Fett is wearing, where you actually have padding on the inside. Let me get. So they kind of go all out and make everything look sort of in universe. Look at that, that is so cool. They've kind of got like in the episodes where you can see where Mando's sort of suit gets damaged and you can see the components underneath. They've kind of gone for that style around the front with the cheeks. You can just sort of see it there. That is awesome. That is gonna make a wicked display piece, because I've already got a bucket. So I'm gonna have to find somewhere for that to go. Oh, even though I like the back. Nice and shiny. Oh, the only thing I ever have a problem with these helmets is the visors. Always that little bit too light. So you can quite easily see through them and see the person underneath when there's like direct lighting. So I always kind of like back mine with reflective film if I'm going to wear it as part of a costume, like I did with the old Hasbro helmets. But this, we're just going to put this on. Oh yeah, man, we look good. Wait, where's my accessory? It's a nice little pouch that have a look-see. So it looks kind of like a little torch you get like on the side of like a pistol or something. It's like this little ear cap bit here. So that'll connect to... Okay, now we actually need the instructions. Pull it? I'm scared. I don't want to pull it. Oh, yes. And I'm very aware I've still got filler on my hands as well. It's supposed to just pop off. God. Boba Fett, I might need some assistance. I can get like the bottom bit up. Have a fiddle with it. I can't get this bit here. Oh, Boba Fett, sir. Yeah.
No good to me, dead. Or damaged.
No damages, please. We've just taken it out of the box.
Needs a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Yeah, we got a screwdriver. Hang on. Technical difficulties. Gotta find a battery. Hang on. Entertain the crowd.
It feels, yeah. It feels like metal. Awesome. I'm sorry. It feels like Beskar. Pure Beskar. Definitely not plastic. If we make the effort nowadays with these Black Series stuff.
Like, cosplayers can genuinely use this stuff without much modification.
I think that's what they might have gone for.
Yes, I think so. So then you just pop that on there, and then I'm so scared of breaking it. Oh, there's lights on the inside.
Awesome.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. Great.
So we've got red lights on the inside
I wonder if Boba Fett's helmet
of
does
the
that.
helmet. Maybe I never put batteries in you. I'm sorry. Oh, so basically the inside lights, I think, can tell. So you tip it up, the inside lights come on, tip it that way, and they turn off. Ah. I really like that. I don't know whether I'd keep that as display with that light on or not.
How much is that? £80.
Is it £80?
About that. The Black Series are usually something like that.
Let's look it up so we can be for sure. Black Series Mandalorian helmet. It's a bit more than 80 quid.
150.
No less than that. So for most places, it seems like they are selling this, the Hasbro Black Series Mandalorian helmet, for £119 and 99 pence, so 120 quid.
Worth it.
I think for this, it's definitely worth the money. The paint job is great. If you can get armour that matches the paint job for this is definitely a worthy cosplay piece. You've got a light up accessory that works. You've got a fully padded interior with adjustable straps with lights on the interior that works. The only thing, again, like I said, you're probably going to have to think about is maybe adding a film on the inside of the lens just to make sure that, you know, because if you go out and people take pictures, especially flash photography, it'll be very clearly visible you underneath this. Personally, I never like that. I don't like people to see my face when I'm in costume, so I always cover that up, but that is so nice, and I reckon you could really easily fit a nice fan inside here as well if you wanted to. That is wicked. Would you like to try this one on, Boba Fett?
Oh yes, I would love to. Oh yeah, that's much better. Now I'm Jin. Hello. Jin. Din.
Oh, Boba Fett.
That's great. The rise is really clean as well. That's yeah, and the support as well. You can feel it.
Because I haven't adjusted it, so
That's
for me
good.
that's quite big.
It's soft as well.
Yeah, the padding is proper.
Really good.
Like, it's not just all plastic, like these bits on the inside is actually squidgy rubber. Oh, that is bright.
Yeah, good.
It looks cool. It looks really cool.
I mean, if only you could weather this a little bit, you could have used it for your.
I could use it if I'm brave enough to weather it. I can use it for mine. I don't know if I'm brave enough to weather it.
And if you want to, I mean, it's just lovely.
It is so nice.
For 120, God, I'll be happy to get one of those.
You won't get a Stormtrooper helmet on its own for that unless you get the Black Series. Stormtrooper helmets are normally 200 upward. So for like half the price with electronics already installed, I reckon that's a pretty good deal.
I think it's a good deal compared to getting someone to 3D print it and having to do all that work when you can just buy this and try and upgrade it.
Yeah.
100%.
Again, the one thing would be you'd have to try and match the paint, but I don't think that'd be too hard. If you can find the right paint, you're golden.
Ah, that is cool. Awesome.
This is probably the weirdest unboxing I've done, but if you do want to see other unboxings, we do unbox some more helmets and costumes on this channel, have done over a couple of years. So have a little look from Black Series to a Novus, we don't recommend, to full armour kits. just to take a look at what some people offer you out the box. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed. We're still crafting away. Don't worry. Content coming soon. Thanks as always to my supporters on Patreon. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. And from me and Dinjarin / Boba Fett, depending which helmet he's wearing, goodbye.
This is the way.
This is the way.